everybody, my name is Janvi. I'm from Hyderabad. I'm a content creator, I'm a foodie, and yesterday was Sunday. Ever since my childhood, Sundays were meant for biryani, and yesterday I didn't get to eat biryani. And I woke up today craving for biryani, obviously. I just can't wait for my biryani to get here so that I can start eating. Shooting. Today, we will be guessing the names of all the wonderful biryanis from the land of biryani, which is Hyderabad. Welcome to Zomato's YouTube channel, and I am Janvi. This is Ajit. Today we're gonna be doing guess where the biryani is from. This is my brother.
So how are we gonna go about this? Did you tell them? You didn't tell me.
Okay. What's up, Ajit? What are your feelings today? How are you feeling? Are you feeling hungry?
I'm feeling hungry, yeah, because I haven't eaten.
Okay, Ajit. Do you think you can finish one whole biryani?
I can finish 2 whole biryanis. How are we gonna go about it?
I will tell you. Ippudu we have Ganesh on the camera, and Ganesh ippudu maaku okoka biryani restaurant పేరు ఇస్తాడు అన్నమాట. Restaurant పేరు ఇచ్చినప్పుడు మేము అన్ని ట్రై చేసి we gonna guess which biryani is from that restaurant that was given to us. తర్వాత in case if we get it wrong, we don't get a point. We are gonna taste, we gonna guess, and that's gonna get eliminated, and it's eventually gonna come down, and that's how it's gonna go. You got it?
Yep.
Let's get started. Okay, what is our first restaurant? Sarvi has a lot of ghee. That I know for sure. This has ghee. That's not Sarvi. Okay.
I'm so hungry that my taste buds are like just eat off.
Oh my god, this is so yum. So yum. If we are gonna start eating like this, we are never gonna land. Okay,
right.
I'm going with this.
Hey, wait. You have to taste all these. This is Meridian.
This is not Meridian.
I think this is Meridian.
This is Meridian.
There's ghee in this. I mean, you can taste that ghee.
My god. They all have such different tastes, yet so authentic. So beautiful. But right now I need to put my brains to use. 1 minute, guys.
I'm hungry, so like...
Ajju, please, can you just concentrate?
Now I feel like we're not even gonna get one right. Can you guys give us any guesses? Pinky, pinky, ponky, father has a dog.
Okay, just for this. Anything. You go for it.
I'll go? Okay, this is final. Oh, this one.
This is Sarvi.
Hey, no, you got it wrong, okay?
Oh my god, on this scale, I think we're gonna get everything wrong. Ganesh, you know what? We need something very easy. Can you give us something easy?
Let's go with Meridian.
Meridian. I already know what Meridian is because I already told you guys that it is
It's this.
It is not that. It is this. Meridian is very spicy.
Are you sure?
I'm not trying also. It's Meridian for sure. The more you're gonna eat, the more you're gonna get confused. Don't do that.
Wait, are you sure?
I'm sure. Please tell me it's right. Please tell me.
Yes, you guys are.
I told you it's Meridian. He thinks he's the biryani king or something, but he is not getting anything right here.
We're just down 2. It's the second one.
Alright.
So, Janu, how do you feel that you've guessed one biryani right?
We guessed only one biryani, right? So just
Yeah,
hold
that's
your
it.
horses.
Third option, Shadab.
Shadab. I ate a lot of chicken biryani, but it's been a while I had Shadab, so let's see how I do. Not that.
On this?
I think it's this.
This is paradise.
We are not guessing paradise, we are guessing Shadab. He's literally disinterested, okay? I'm the one, like, you know, let me get it right. I'm trying my best. Okay, I think it's this.
Freeze.
Wait.
Yes, you guys are right.
No!
Awesome! Thank you.
No, it's me.
Thanks.
Yeah.
But even I said it's this only, no? Okay, I let my hair down cause we are winning and we are getting it right, and there are only 5 more left. Come
Very
on.
famous Bawarchi.
Bawarchi. So Bawarchi is this really famous restaurant in Hyderabad, and
It has no branches. First,
Yes.
let's deduct. It's not this.
It's not this. I know it's not this for sure.
There's not this much ghee in bawarchi. It must be in between these two.
So I am guessing this is bawarchi.
I guess that as bawarchi because I haven't had bawarchi in years. That's the only unfamiliar taste I have. Oh,
Sir, ready, sir?
ready.
Ready, sir. Okay, sir.
This
This
first
is
shot.
bawarchi.
Okay, freezing the option.
Freeze it, lock it, do everything.
You guys are right.
Why are we still here?
3 out of 4, dude. That's like
Not bad, not
70.
bad. So it is getting hot in here. So I had to tie my hair up. And now I'm ready to guess the last 4 biryani. Come on, guys, give us the next one.
This one, Cafe Baha.
Oh my god.
Bahar.
It has so much ghee in it, no? Cafe Bar also has a lot of ghee in it.
Glad.
Is this? You
For
sure?
sure.
I'm just gonna take this one for sure.
It's not that I know all the taste of the biryani, but I'm eliminating. I know it's not this, I know it's not this, I know it's not this, so it should be this. This.
You guys are wrong. No, you guys are right.
What the hell, Yaba? How can you do that? I'm thinking something is wrong. How can that not be Cafe Bahar?
Bad. This.
3 more left. And we have only... What is that?
New challenger.
To make it little exciting,
You already had, no?
I've added one more.
That's a new one.
Yeah.
What is this jumbling up? Oh my god. It's okay, Ajju. At least we are getting to eat.
No, first give us the name, wait.
I'm giving the name.
Once he gives the name, I'll get confused. I'll eat it off so that I'll know.
I will know of her.
I'll know.
Chagos. Yes.
I have to guess.
I'm kind of thinking it's this.
Even I think it's this.
Because he got it in and I'll be like, they won't guess that for sure. Because I just brought it in. And reverse psychology ayintara.
These both look so similar. Now I'm confused.
The only bad thing in a biryani, elaichi and what do you call this?
Clove.
And cloves.
This is Shag House. We can't get Shag House wrong. We eat from Shag House every week. He wants to confuse us.
Our palate is kinda.
This is Shag House for
Final
sure.
answer lock.
Pakka, na?
Don't stress me like this.
You guys are wrong.
It's okay, it's okay. I'm sorry.
Is it this?
Do this then.
Give me Chagos.
Sare, pony, jano.
How can we not get Shag House? Right? Shag House is like the best. It's over.
Chagos. Spoon is going to share it.
Yeah.
So final 3 low. I think you know what? We should just you just give us the names. We will match the following. Okay, now we have to guess Mahfil, 555 and Paradise. Paradise is the easiest, so we're gonna go with Paradise first. Okay? This is 555, this is Paradise, this is Mahfil.
Wait, you wanna eat one last time?
If there is ghee in this is Paradise for sure. Paradise. 100% Paradise. 555
555.
because it has a little more cinnamon flavor to it. This is Mahfil.
That's my fill, yeah.
Yeah, you guys are right.
We did it. Ajju. 7 right and 2 wrong. This is awesome.
New world record.
Sorry, Shag House. Sorry. So I hope you found this challenge interesting. And fun. We are gonna do more such challenges. If you like it, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and let us know what your favorite restaurant is. We have given you our favorites. And I think I'm just going on and on and on.
Yeah.
Now you just do your thing. Open Zomato and order and have fun and just enjoy your biryani, guys. I really need a soft drink right now.
Yeah.
I'm gonna see you soon.